In the heart of Winklemeyer Woods lay a hidden village, renowned not for its sparkling river or the ancient trees, but for its keeper of tales, Mother Goose. Contrary to what the outside world believed, Mother Goose was not just a single story weaver, but a title passed down through generations. The current Mother Goose, Eliza, guarded her title dearly, weaving stories that danced on the winds and echoed through the valley. Eliza lived in a quaint cottage at the village's edge beside a babbling brook, her garden a tapestry of wildflowers and herbs. It was here among the daisies and roses that she found her inspirations and mused over fables and nursery rhymes that comforted and taught the children of her village. One bright morning, turmoil struck in the form of a raven black as night, perched outside her window, an unnatural glow in its eyes. It sung a prophecy from lands far beyond their own. The heart of stories will cease to beat, and silence will fall, croaked the raven ominously. Eliza understood. The core of her storytelling, the magical book of tales, was in danger. Determined not to let the village lose its spirit and joy, she embarked on a quest to protect the heart of tales. Guided by the raven, she traversed through shadowy forests and scaled mountains, facing tests that challenge her wisdom, kindness, and courage. Finally, after a journey that took her to the very edge of her own fears, Eliza reached the cavern of time, a place where every story ever told echoed forever. There, she found the book of tales, flickering faintly, with a whispered word, a verse from her heart. The book flickered back to life, its stories vibrant once more. Eliza returned as a beacon of hope. Under the whispering leaves of Winklemeyer Woods, tales continued to flourish, a testament to the enduring magic of storytelling.